Welcome to our quick showdown between the EUHOMY and DUMOS ice makers. Today, we will dive into the features that set these two popular countertop ice makers apart. Both machines promise rapid ice production, but which one delivers the best value? Let's find out. The EUHOMY ice maker is priced at $89, while the DUMOS offers a more budget-friendly option at $69. This $20 difference could be significant for those looking to save on kitchen appliances. While the EUHOMY produces a single size of bullet ice, the DUMOS offers the versatility of two different sizes. This feature can be particularly useful for different beverage types and personal preferences. The EUHOMY has a water tank capacity of 1.2 liters, while the DUMOS boasts a larger 1.5 liters. This means less frequent refills for the DUMOS, making it more convenient for larger gatherings. In conclusion, both the EUHOMY and DUMOS ice makers have their strengths. If you're looking for a premium build and quiet operation, the EUHOMY might be your choice. However, if you're budget conscious and need versatility in ice sizes, the DUMOS could be the better option. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.